The collagen tastes really, huh? What's the rumor? Tomorrow in tonight.
Paula, they need you down on F3.
Full time.
There's
Full time?
sino na yung... Yeah, I think, both of... For them and equipment taken. You here? 18. Were you here already? I think we were here already.
No.
On bed before.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't worry. If Dog Ford got hospitalized, we're gonna put him to room 6. Kind of health system we have today.
Sinigang na walang rice.
Mm-hmm.
One day off ka lang, bumalik ka na.
One day off lang. Diba call din ako nung 2 days?
Ano nga pala sabi mo ako?
Bago-bago ilang.